Hi everyone, welcome to Julite Machinery Canton Fair online show, and this is Ada. Before me, my colleague Ethan and Chen have introduced the front procedures, how our machines are made, like the machines we are using, like the plasma cutting and laser cutting machines and bending machines, and especially the welding robot, which can guarantee the welding quality of our machines. And we also have to mention the special appearance processing, the sandblasting processing for our machines. And finally, we are here, the end step of our machine, how to install it. And behind me is our installation working shop. And in our company, we have the different type of green cleaning machines, like the air swing cleaner, destoner, gravity separator, and magnetic separator, and so on. So many of different type of machines. And all our machines, they are responsible by the different installation groups, and they all have the different responsibility for the installation part of the machines. And the first today we're gonna introduce few groups of these machines. And the first machine group we're gonna introduce is machine ready groups. Why it's called the machine ready groups? Before this video, my colleague Ethan must show you all the parts of our machines are processing by the machines. They are pieces, right? Like over there, they are pieces. And so in order to fasten the speed for the installation of the final product, so they have to ready to install the pieces to the small parts of the machine. And make the camera to see the ground. We have the gray blanket over here. And in this machine ready groups, they have to use the blanket, which can protect the scratches in the pieces of the machines. And when they are making the installation for the small parts of these machines, they have to make it on the blanket. And second, I also want to make the camera to see the small parts of this machine. We can see most of our machines, the parts are connected by the bolts and nuts. We can see. And our companies has been using this technology for years. And speaking to these technologies, we have to mention start from the 2015. And in that year, our boss and the technicians, the engineers, they went to the Hanover agricultural machine exhibitions in Hanover, in Germany. And this is which is the largest agricultural machine exhibition in the world. It happened 2 years in one time just. And they saw the machines in the exhibition, the Europe machines, they are already using the bolts and nuts connecting technology in their machine. And after that, we are making the technical transformation and make our machine, all the parts of our machines are using the bolts and nuts technology. And for using this technology, we have two advantages we have to mention. The first one is, use this technology, we can avoid the unnecessary welding parts in the machines. And we all know, before the welding robots, and the welding is made by the people, right? And we also know everyone has a different welding technology for this part, and the people are easy to influence by all kinds of different things. So it will be difficult to guarantee the quality, of the welding welding parts for the welding technology, and can't guarantee the machine quality. So our machines are using this technology. And the second advantage is, and using this technology can improve the working efficiency for our company, for the workers. And this high working efficiency can guarantee our supply period for all of our clients, and we can guarantee the supply period. So this is for the machine ready group. And the next one, we're going to see the right side of my hand, and we can see the other part, the other installation group. And what they are doing is the installation for the 5XFZ 40Z double gravity cleaner. And we can see is 4 sets of this machine in the stand in this group. And usually it's gonna take 2 or 3 days for the groups to finish 4 to 5 sets of the machine in the same time. And next, I want the camera make a special spot for this part. And we can see there are the small blanket in these machines, right? And you must wonder why there are the small blankets over here. And in our company, we have the strict requirements for this part. When the workers, they are doing the installation for the machine, when they need to step on the machine, they have to step on the blanket. They cannot step on the machines by their feet directly. We have the strict requirements for these machines. And after this machine, and before the few days before, and I think my colleague also have to make the introduction about this machine. And this machine is a very large machine. You can see the capacity is about 20 tons per hour when they are cleaning the wheat, maize, or the peanuts. And when the machine is finished, we can see the machine is full enclosed, and which can meet the requirements for the environmental requirement in the domestic market. And with the large capacity and the environmental thing the machines can make, so this machine is kind of very popular in the domestic market. And we kind of sold more than 100 sets of these machines every year since we designed this machine since 2017. And after all these machines, we can see they have all the two cars. They are made in by themselves, and to put all the small parts and the tools in the cars, and it's very convenient for them to using it. And the next group we're gonna see is they are make the installation for the air screen cleaner, and we can see this. We can see 5 sets of this machine, and the machine is almost finished for the 5 sets of this machine. After this machine is finished, and they're gonna have the tester running for each set of this machine. And the tester running gonna use the grains, and like the maize, wheat, and the materials we have. And all the tester running is under the inspection of the quality control department people. And they're gonna check each set of the machine and every part of this machine. After the tester running, and they're gonna each of the machine, they gonna have their own checking record and their own number. For this number, tracking down this number, we can know and who installed this machine, and which group installed this machine, and which year we make this machine. And it will be more convenient for the clients to know more information about these machines. And above these machines, for this set, the air screen cleaner, this machine is our first type basic cleaning machines. And from 2006, which our company is founded, and this machine has been go through the first generation is blue, and the second generation is green, and the third generation is gray, and now is the fourth generation. The gray is the white and the green, and this is now what we are making for the air screen cleaner. And until now, we still have clients who are using the second generation, the green type of this air screen cleaner. They are making the maintenance regularly, so they can use the machines more than 10 years already. So if you are doing the maintenance and for the machines, we can say you can use the machines for more than 10 years or more than this. And now this season is June, right? And for China, the domestic market, the busy season start coming. But compared to the abroad market, for now, maybe it's not the machine using time, but we have to account the production time, the shipping time from China to abroad, especially for Africa. The shipping time gonna take about 6 days or more than that. After the machine arrived in the destination port, you also have to make the customs clearance and the installation and just for the machines. Accounting all the above time, now it's not the machine using time, but now it's the machine purchasing time. And after we introduce just a few corner of our installation workshop, you can see we are ready. And are you ready for your order? And above is all the workshop introduction. Thank you.